So to kick things off today, let's be honest, most of us have thought about how we can make ourselves look and feel more youthful. Today we have a guest in the studio who knows a thing or two about enhancing beauty. Dr. Vu Ho is a board-certified facial plastic surgeon and the owner of Beautiful Faces in Odessa. Dr. Ho, thank you so much for being here with us. Tell me about Beautiful Faces.
So my practice focuses on the face and neck area, and the procedures that I do typically would be like a facelift, eyelid rejuvenation, neck lift, and so forth.
And so it's a less invasive procedure. I'm going to dive right in because we've had so many people ask me when they knew you were going to be on the show about this. All right, let's talk first about, we call it sometimes the turkey neck, the skin under the neck. What's the process for making that look better?
So the neck is one of the first areas to show signs of aging, and we have a lot of options to treat that. Most commonly is a facelift surgery, and that is done in the office under local anesthesia, and patients typically take about a week to recover, and the results are amazing, and people are really, you know, have minimum downtime along with that.
We're looking at some photographs, some before and after, and you really can see the difference in the contour of the neck. A lot of people have questions about that recovery time, and so you say it's about a week.
Yes, and during that time, people are up and about. They can do light activities, and so they're not confined to bed or anything like that.
Okay. We're also going to talk a little bit about the eyes. We have some really amazing before and after shots as well. There's a couple of problems that you encounter, either underneath the eyes, where a lot of us will, I guess we call them bags, and then even above the eyes. That tends to be my problem, is when the eyelid starts to droop. So what's the process for that?
Sure. The upper eyelids tend to accumulate that loose fold of skin, and so that can be easily removed, and that will open up the eyes, give you a more bright and youthful appearance. The lower eyelid area has what we call bags or fat pockets, and those are easily removed, and now the procedures are much less invasive, where most times I don't even need to make any incisions that are visible on the outside.
So that's amazing. The results in those photographs are remarkable as well. You say now is a good time of year to consider, if that's something that you're going to have in your future, now is a good time of year to consider the procedure.
Yes, the winter months tend to be a little more convenient for folks because most people don't have a lot of social activities, or not out on vacation, so it's a little easier to get some time off of work to have these procedures done.
Yeah.
And also there's not a lot of sunlight to have to contend with.
And that makes a difference.
Yes, for the healing.
This is so interesting to me. Okay, you work with Dr. Chappell's office here in Odessa, based out of Dallas. Tell me how that works. How often are you here? Are you accepting new patients?
Yeah, so my main office is in Dallas, and I get to Odessa about once a month. I'll see patients for their consultations. We can do the procedures right there in the office, and then take care of any follow-up visits as well.
Well, it is fascinating to see the before and after pictures. We're so glad that you're here, and we intend to have you back so we learn more about ways we can improve our youthful appearance. Dr. Ho, thank you so much for being here with us.